Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm here at Coinbase.com to show you what I've just discovered, which is this quick, easy and totally free way to earn up to $126 worth of cryptocurrencies, which I initially thought seemed too good to be true, but it actually turns out it is as super simple as it sounds, and I'll show you how now. So I'm assuming you already have a Coinbase account, but it's quick and easy to sign up if you haven't already. I'll actually leave a referral link in the description below to earn extra free money when you do sign up, so feel free to use that. Anyway, once you're signed in, you want to scroll down to where you can see Earn Free Crypto with Coinbase Earn and click the Earn Crypto button. That'll take you through to the learning landing page, which details the different cryptocurrencies you can earn. You can see I've already earned $6 worth of Tezos. I have $14 left to earn of DAI and $50 of EOS and Stellar Lumens. There's Zcash basic attention token and 0x down at the bottom as well, but the pool of those coins has already been earned, so I'm guessing there's a limited amount of the others as well, so we better get going. So moving back up the list, let's try and earn some EOS. As you can see, it's broken down into 5 beginner lessons for $2 each and 1 advanced lesson for $40. So let's click into the first lesson. The idea is that you watch the video, learn a little about the coin and answer one quiz question to earn your money. You'll see the quiz link is currently disabled, as you have to play the video first, but not even all the way through. It's going to let you click the link in about 10 seconds of your time. Now, to know the answer, you're probably going to have to watch the video all the way through. But here's where it gets even easier. You get unlimited tries to answer the question. So simply start at the top and work your way down until you hit the right answer. Oh, wrong again. And there we go. Third time's a charm. $2 earned in less than a minute. Let's try lesson 2. Again, play the video for a few seconds before the link is enabled. Same tactic. Let's try one by one until we stumble across the correct answer. Obviously you can carry on and work through the other lessons, but let's quickly go back to the home screen to show you the EOS that's now in my portfolio. Straight in there with the others that I've earned previously. I'm going to say in about 15 minutes you could have worked through all the lessons and earn the potential $126. Then it's up to you. You can hold, trade or simply sell those coins back into your native fiat currency to withdraw straight away. It's entirely up to you. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. Like and subscribe if you found this video useful, and I'll see you on the next one.